the Valentino. It sounds like the name of a 26-year-old waiter your elderly neighbour Valerie hooks up with on a holiday in Benidorm. Today we're going to be making a vodka cocktail which has been long overdue on this channel. This cocktail can either be made with gin and whiskey too, but I think that'd be straying a little bit more in the Negroni and Boulevardier territory, so we're sticking to vodka this time. The ingredient lineup: vodka using the Ketel One brand, Campari and sweet vermouth. Some people will probably throw a fit about this, and I'll definitely be offending the cocktail gods by teaching you some bad habits, but I'm adding the ice before the alcohol to the mixing glass. I'm going to crack some of these big ice cubes and hopefully stop myself from creating a massive mess, but if you're making this, please add the ice last. Let's kick this off with 2 ounces, that's 60ml of vodka. Follow this up with half an ounce, that's 15ml of Campari. Then lastly add half an ounce, that's 15ml of sweet vermouth. Then we're going to stir this around 45 rotations. The Valentino was created by Gaz Regan in his 2001 book, The Joy of Mixology. Strain this into a chilled coupe glass. Garnish with an orange peel. The taste test. I'm a Negroni fan, so I quite like this. Vodka isn't the most outgoing of the spirits in terms of flavour, but it's still there. The Campari and vermouth are both working well together. I reckon a couple of dashes of orange bitters would really help us drink along. But yeah, it's not too bad at all.